One, two, two. Jump, two. Jump, two.
What the fuck?
Y'all ready for this? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'll bet you never heard old Groovy Jimmy say, Queen Matai, have you ever thought of running away? Settling down, would you husk with me? If I take cry break twice and simp for you, purty please. She'd have said yes in a New Orleans minute. They never tied the knot, 'cause Matai was a catfish. She just blew him off. She never husked at Jimmy's place. I should have been a Hoover Crip. Yeah, I should have learned to gang bang. Riding with my homies down the main drag on midnight. Stealing the white folks' wallets. Just like Tookie Williams. Singing them SoundCloud songs. Oh, I should have been a Hoover Crip. Yee!
Yee! She was fired. Thank you for that.
He's looking at you, kid.